say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can ask around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame, they all want the name, but they ain't got what's running through these veins. Say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can ask around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame, they all want the name, but they ain't got what's running through these veins. Make way for the king. For the kingdom, king me, checkmate then repeat. This chestnut checkers, what can I say? I got goat genes. Real kings do king things. Live like one, breathe like one. By any means, everybody can't lead like one. Nah, is it really me? Gotta check and see my legacy like royalty, and I act like it. If you know, better act like it. Look at me now, they can't hold me down. So give me the crown. They say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can ask around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame, they all want the name, but they ain't got what's running through these veins. Say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can ask around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame, they all want the name, but they ain't got what's running through these veins. Make way for the king. King of kings for a long stretch, no limousine. If you talking winners, gotta intervene. I'm the biggest one of those you ever seen. I'ma need a crown. I'm the only one that ever held it down at the tip top. People flip flop every day, not I. Top 5, I'm a big shot. I'm the one that wanna take the big shots. Big rings, big rocks, big bag, big moves, big cars, big man, big plan. Get lost, we've been this wrong. Look at me now, they can't hold me down. So give me the crown. It must be a thing. It must be the poise that silence the noise. It must be the heart that sets me apart. It must be the game that gave me the name. It must be the truth, I could be the proof. It could be the chain, it might be the shoes. They watching my moves, they chasing the fame, but they ain't got what's running through these veins. Make way for the king. We're not the same, we run everything.
your breakthrough. Back again for EA Sports. We're literally seconds away from kickoff. Come on now, show your boys some love. Let's do this, kids.
I can see you make me melt. Sun ice cream.
Great bit of movement and finish.
Double vision. All races like supercars.
Back on the way. 1-0.
70, you're the ace of
What a chance this is.
cute kittens. Allergies, I don't like you enough. Block me on your private food store. You go
Is it even legal to do that, pal? You can't be selling dreams like that, bro.
can't quit it. Two's on.
Alright, we're up again.
Stop it before I finish. On my arm and I scream.
There it is. 2-1.
Double vision. All races like supercars. Double spinning.
Back at it.
70, you're the ace of hearts. High society. Cute kittens.
This one wants the runners.
I don't like you enough. Block me on your private food store. Your little mama, she can play with us. Messenger.
Alright, people, come on, let's make some noise. Good pressure from the Oh, what's he finishing? We're level at 2-2 now. Back on the way.
Parents meet in Mayfair at the dogs. We go on walks. She never talks. I pull my heart out. She laps at my blood. Messenger. She's a 10+10, not enough. Mixed messages.
What a great chance this is.
Marry me, but you got too much. Toothbrush and socks. Parents meet in Mayfair at the dogs. We go on walks. She never talks. I pull my heart out. She laps at my blood.
Block of the season right there, bro. Take the lead. Great finish. We're back on the way. Oh my days, man. He has written off the Marbler. Oh, you've got to appreciate greatness when you see it. 4-2. And the ball's rolling again. That's what you call strong defending. He's just cleaning up in the middle. Oh, so close. Not long until half time now. We're into the last 60. Watch out, this is. Oh, that's a lovely finish there. Precision finishing. Back again. You gotta finish that, bro. And another absolute dominant performance today. Here we go again. There's 30 seconds left until half time. Exposed at the back here. Lovely finish to make it 6-3. Here we go. Here. Oh, he's in the post! Unbelievable, bro! They've only got to made it 6-4. All right, here we go again. back in this one now. So it's half time, and that was an entertaining first half, if I do say so. Back underway in a 6-6. Deservedly, they're taking the lead in this game. And then back at it. Need to get back in. Oh, it should be level in this one by now. Good tackle. This could be it. Great block there. And we're all square once again. And the ball's rolling again. I thought I was in for sure. Inches. What a finish there to take the lead. Back again. He's cleaning up in the middle. They're exposed here. Is it even legal to do that, fam? You can't be selling dreams like that, bro. Here we go. So close. Let me hear some noise, people. It's too quiet in here. And it's in. Done well there. What a great chance this is. Oh, they put it away nicely there. Here we go again. It's a good time to get a goal, but they still need one more. Well, this game is very much on again, but time's up against them. We're into the last 30 seconds, but will they find the equalising goal? And that's the equaliser. What a critical goal. Can here we go. What's going on, people? It's your boy Cheese. Back again for EA Sports. We're literally seconds away from kickoff. So get off your seat. Show the boys some love. Let's get this going.
I can see you make me melt. Sun ice cream. You smell like fur. Soft to the touch. You wear
Important block there.
Angel getting carried by the clock. This happened, Harry. Irish just a mark. Stood outside, waiting where you gone. Cubicle lines, catch a cold jack fruits. Clear as day. I can see you make me melt. Sun ice cream.
Let me hear some noise, people. It's too quiet in here.
You wear a palace for yourself from a pop-off. Angel getting carried by the clock. The snapping Harry. Irish just a mark. Stood outside, waiting where
It's a bit late there.
cubicle lines, catch a cold jack fruits.
There it is. You're off and running.
Races like supercars. The room's spinning. 70, you're the ace of hearts.
And the ball's rolling again.
Killers. Allergies, I don't like you enough. Block me on your pride for a pistol. You got mama, she can play with us. Messenger. She's a 10+10.
Lovely football. Lovely football.
Cross. Marry me, what you got too much.
Great tackle there.
Brush and socks. Parents meet in Mayfair, couple dogs. We go on walks. She never talks. I pull my heart out.
Block of the season right there, bro.
Messenger. She's a 10+10, not enough. Mixed messages. Wise cross. Marry me, what you got too much. Toothbrush and socks. Parents meet in Mayfair, couple dogs. We go on walks. She never talks. I pull my heart out. She laps at my blood.
Lovely play and finished off with an even better finish. All right, we're up again. Well closed down there. They should be a lot more comfortable by now. That's a definite foul. Nice block. Not long until half time now. He's just tidying up. I thought that was him. Surely the goal is coming. Great block there. So unlucky there. He's just cleaning up in the middle. I can't believe he missed that. That would have made it a lot more comfortable. 5, 4. Three, 2, 1. All right, that's the first half over. We'll be back again shortly. But in the meantime, show your players some love. second blood. They needed that. Back in it now. Back again. Oh, good defending. Game on again. That's the equalizer. Here we go. What an opportunity. They should really be ahead by now. You need to stop sitting on your hands now, people. Get up and shout. Make some noise. Well closed down there. Good finish there. Great goal to take the lead. All right, here we go again. That's a naughty tackle there. Game-changing block. And that's the equalizer. What a critical goal. Can they push on for the win? I'm loving this. Back underway. Oh, very cheeky there, bro. How important could that be? We're back underway. Let's see their response. Only 30 seconds remaining. Can they find an equalizer? That's it. Time is up. Well, it's been a great game, and you've been a great crowd. Let's hear it one last time for the players and make some noise.
Studio living like a dream in a bro. Yeah, mama just told me be different. I wanted to be living that we were just wide eyes. Trust nobody is a motto, and nobody pushing a lone wolf, not to follow. Had to get out of the sinking ship, you was hoppers. Told me to leave me behind and stop you with shuttleless. Should've been running, sit on my elevator to conquer it. Self-made, gliding, no sweat. High, no tears, I don't hold back. Contest if you can, better fall back. Cause I was a wallflower, and I died for the whole down to you, so I was different. Had a nap from the whole town, so I blossomed in a picket. I be finding